Ginger powder aids digestion, alleviating indigestion, bloating, and nausea. The compounds in ginger powder have potent anti-inflammatory effects, benefiting conditions like arthritis. Ginger powder can strengthen the immune system, helping the body defend against infections. Ginger powder is known to alleviate nausea and vomiting, including motion sickness and morning sickness. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger powder can help reduce pain and discomfort. Ginger powder may enhance blood circulation, supporting cardiovascular health. Consuming ginger powder can provide relief from respiratory issues like coughs and congestion. Ginger powder can boost metabolism and aid in weight management efforts. Ingredients: ginger powder,